Welcome back, sewists. Today I'm going to do a little anti-haul of projects I've made in the past. That's why we're hanging out here in my bedroom. Just ran to the closet and started pulling out things that I never wear anymore. Let's do a quick fit check though. I made this a long time ago and I wear it all the time. It'll be linked below if you want to make the cute little top that I'm wearing. Let me tell you what an anti-haul is. Usually an anti-haul is things that I'm not going to buy. However, most everything I'm going to show you, there's nothing wrong with the pattern. There's nothing wrong with the sewing. It's usually either I don't like the fit, I don't like the style, it's just not as flattering as I thought, or I just simply don't have an occasion to wear it. So let's do an anti-haul of projects that I've made here on this channel as tutorials for you that I never wear. We're gonna dig in the closet real quick and pull a few things out. I've already got a few laying right here. Okay, I've got a little stack here and my list of pattern numbers because I am the worst about remembering pattern numbers. These are just things that I've made that I don't wear. Now, I'm not saying the pattern is bad. Probably is usually operator error. It's probably me. It's probably a fit issue as a rule for me or some other things. But I'm gonna go over, these are projects that I've made on here as tutorials. There's nothing wrong with the tutorial or the pattern as a rule, but I never wear these projects and I'll tell you why. We're gonna start with McCall 6345. I'm going to put the little title card up here. All of these also will be linked below if you're looking at it and you're like, I know she's not wearing it, but I would. The tutorials will be linked below for you. This, I actually really like this pattern a lot. Isn't that cute? Da, 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 da. I really like it. Super simple. I changed this one up a little bit by by switching the direction of the stripe. This is a knit project. I never wear it, and I'll tell you why. It's a fit issue. It's a little snug in the hip. It's attractive on, but it's just snug enough that I never feel comfortable in it. I'm considering taking this to Mom and seeing if it's one that she wears. It's pretty long, and the only problem with it being this long is it's very hard to get to your pocket in your pants. My mom could totally wear this as a dress. It goes all the way to my knee. I made this thinking I'd throw it on with some leggings. I do think this is one I would wear if I were like 7 pounds lighter. Like, it's so close, but not quite. So that's this one. The next one I don't even have here because I can't find it. It is Simplicity. I'll put the little iCard up here. This is so cute, but it is not made for full-figured gals. It just does not fit right for me. And I knew it wouldn't when I made it. If you're a tinier person than I am, if you're smaller, it will work, and it's pretty fun and cute. And I know lots of people have made it and really liked it. So this is one I never wear. As a matter of fact, I don't even know where I have stored it. It's been put away somewhere and it's missing. I don't know where it is. I didn't set it at home with anybody. I was thinking I might have set it home with a kid, but I didn't. The next one's another Simplicity pattern. Actually, I made a top and a bottom. It's Simplicity 9017. Here's the top. And it's another one that fits a little funky. So this is very asymmetrical. It has a wonky little neckline. It has fun little seaming. It's super cute. It kind of looks like Star Trek to me a little bit. And it's easy to sew. I made this in a super soft jersey knit, and I did not interface or anything, and I really feel like this neckline needs some stability. It's saggy. If you look at the image on the pattern, the neckline kind of stands up. This one does not stand up, and it's just because the fabric is too soft. And I just never wear it. And I don't know why. There's really nothing wrong with this. I never pull it out. I never even look at it. I'm going to move it in my closet because I hang these, a lot of these that are knits like this, I hang over the hanger like this, and then they don't get seen. So I'm going to change the way I'm hanging it on the hanger. I'm going to hang it like this so that I can see it on the hanger, and maybe this one will get worn. Both this one and the other top are ones that I really actually like. I just have not been wearing. And I might go in and interface a little bit on the facing to see if the neckline stands up. I have some knit interfacing. Now the pants for this, I'll put right here. I knew when I made this. I just wanted to make the complete outfit. And these are the pants, and they are short and wide. They have a real wide leg. They make me look short and wide. They fit fine. I feel frumpy, dumpy, and lumpy in them. They do not make me feel good about myself at all. So I never wear these. They're plain black, wide leg pant. They're just a little bit, they're just not attractive on me. Now, I have a 5'7", tall and thin daughter who this style of pant on her looks excellent. Same with that top. This would be the perfect for her figure. She's curvy, but she's long and stretched out curvy, and it would look totally different on her. For my figure type, just not very attractive. So never wear this. I have put them on a few times in desperation because I was like doing laundry, and I'm like, well, they do fit. I guess I can wear them while my clothes get, when I'm like way behind on laundry. That's one of the few times I've ever worn those. The next one is, and I've done a couple of these where I upcycle a t-shirt into a dress. And I did a kids one, which is one of my top patterns. I'll put a little picture of the kids one. So cute, so easy to sew. A great way to reuse a t-shirt, especially like you get a really fun t-shirt and you want to turn into a little cute dress. Kids grow fast, so the shirts get short, but you can turn it into a dress and they can keep wearing the shirt because it fits up here, but they're just too long. Great use of that. And I have made quite a few of my t-shirts because do you have a problem with getting t-shirt holes? Like right at the belly? I'm sure it's because it's where I lean against the counter all the time. Doing dishes and things, and I have an upcycled t-shirt dress pattern or t-shirt dress video, and I made 2 t-shirt dresses. This is one of them, and this is the one I actually wear. I do like this one, and I do wear it. It does have a pocket in it. The other one I did high-low with just a plain top, and it's one I want to take apart and redo. I never wear it, and it's because of the way I did this, the high-low. Just don't like the way it looks. I don't feel like it's flattering. It kind of tucks under my rear end differently. Not my favorite. Also cannot find it. Couldn't find this one for a minute because my husband did laundry and these got shoved somewhere. They didn't get hung up. So I couldn't find my shirt. So somewhere it's out there. It will get fixed when I can locate it because it's one that got misplaced. But never wear the other one, the solid blue one. Now, this one is McCall's 8160. And I really like it. It's the super sparkly little t-shirt dress. I lined it, and I never wear it. And the reason I don't wear this is it's the shoulder length. I don't like how wide the shoulder is. It's this one, see how far this drops? This one drops to right here. It just makes me look schlubby, and it makes the sleeve hit in the wrong place. So I need to take this apart, move the shoulder in, put the sleeve back in, and I would wear it. My sister's worn this a couple of times. I have pulled it out more than once and just put it right back. So this one is going in my remake pile just to fix that shoulder line. That's all that it needs for me to like it. Now the pattern is meant for it to be a slightly dropped shoulder. It's just not flattering on my body. But a lot of people do like it, and you may like it too. Really cute. I made it in this great sparkly, isn't that fun? Such a fun pattern. So, but never wear it. Okay, this one is called the Anita Slip. Put it up here. I loved sewing this. This was a really fun sewing project. It was really cute, and I made it thinking I would wear it as a nightgown. It's a nice soft cotton knit. This is one that I shopped my stash and used the fabric in my stash, and I never wear it. And the reason I never wear it is not because it doesn't fit and not because it isn't cute, but because I am a full-figured girl, and this bust line does not support, and it's just droopy and not attractive on. I just never feel, I don't feel pretty in it. I feel kind of lumpy and yucky in it, so I never wear it. I think, however, I will wear it as a swimsuit cover-up. So it's not gotten worn as a nightgown, which is what I made it for. It's a slip pattern. I've never worn it as a nightgown or as a slip, but I think I will wear it as a swimsuit cover-up. So this is the Anita Slip. I really like this pattern, and it also has to make this into a camisole. Really fun pattern, but don't wear it. Okay, this one I love. I look at it and I think it's so pretty, and I never wear it, and not because it isn't pretty or because it's not my style. This is Kwik Sew 2762. What's this? Now I love stuff like this, and you would think I would wear it, but It's the same thing as the Anita. There's no support up here, and it just doesn't look that pretty on because I'm such a full-figured gal for a nightgown. I lined it and everything. It's so pretty. I never wear it. Never, never, never. And it's just my figure type. It's just not, it just doesn't do what I want it to figure-wise. But I sure think it's lovely. I sure enjoy looking at it hanging in the closet. I could build in some bust support and I would wear it. So that may be something I'll have to add to my someday get it done pile. Never wear it. Okay, this next one is Vogue 8888, and I made 2 projects out of it. The first one is this cute little witchy slip. Isn't that fun? And I just never, like, I never have an occasion to wear this. It's fully lined. I could put a strapless bra under this, throw on, hey, I could throw on that really neat wrap that I made recently over it, and it'd be pretty fun little, wear it out in public. You could wear this as a little, it's long enough, you could wear it as a little dress, but I never wear this. I've put it on a few times, but it's just not something I ever wear. But I like it. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. It's a great pattern. It's super cute fabric. Never wear. Now, this is another one that I've just forgotten about. When I was going through my patterns, this is the same pattern, Vogue 8888. I did this in this gorgeous gray satin with lovely lace. And I just never wear this. But this one, I'm going to move where it was in the closet so I see it, because I think I would wear this under things. I could sleep in it. It could be a nightgown, but it would also make a great slip. So I need to move this in the closet, move it somewhere so when I see it, I think, oh yeah, I'll throw that on underneath. Especially now that winter's here, I'm more likely to wear a full slip like this just because it adds a little warmth under my dresses. So I like it. I have nothing bad to say about it. I need to start wearing it. All right, another nightgown. This one's a Kwik Sew. This is Kwik Sew. I take it back. This is Stretch and Sew 2090. Vintage pattern. Love the pattern. And I had it hanging in. I need to move it to my pajama drawer, so I'll remember to wear it. I like it. I have no complaints about it. Again, it doesn't have real great bust line support because it's plunging neckline and I am a full figure gal, but this one actually fits better than the other 2 that I talk about not having good support. So I just need to pull it out of the closet. It's been hanging in the closet, and put it in my pajama drawer. Maybe I'll wear it next spring. But so far, I've never worn it. Not since I made it. Okay, I have one more, and I'm so sad about this because when I got the pattern, I love the pattern so much, and it was one where I was going to sew up my stash, and I used a fabric in my stash. It's McCall's 8042, and I don't even, the picture of the thumbnail doesn't even have the picture of the garment. It's this really cute drawstring neckline. It has, you see the little drawstring neckline? It's really cute, right? I look like Grandma Moses when I'm wearing it though. This makes me feel ancient. It looks a little twee, a little sweet, and a lot like an old lady. It looks like my grandmother. I think I see this and I'm like, I look like my grandma in it, I think. And nothing against my grandma, but I look like my grandma not when she was in her super fashionable, 30s. Never wear it because it makes me feel frumpy. I need to try it again. I think if I'm thinking about changing out the lacing in the front, I love this pattern and I want to try it again in a different fabric. I would like to try it in something else. I think I would like it better than what I made it in. I'm super sad that it makes me feel frumpy. I need to try. I need to wear it. I need to wear it a couple times and see if my feelings change about it. Because sometimes it's the mood you're in at the moment when you try it on. And you try it again another time and you feel completely differently about it. Sometimes you love it and you try it again, you're like, why did I love that thing? But this is the last one that I absolutely never wear. Thanks for hanging out with me as I go through my little anti-haul of projects I've sewn. I'm curious, do you have projects that you've made that end up just hanging in the closet or sitting in a drawer that you never come back to? I have made some really fancy things that I just don't have an occasion to wear as much. but definitely would. I need to get my husband to take me out somewhere nice, I guess, more often. Okay, I'll see you next week for another fun sewing video.